Next problem is design a cage rotor for 40 HP 3-phase 400 volt 50 Hz 6 pole delta connected induction machine having full load power factor of 0.85. Take D is equal to 33 cm and L is equal to 17 cm. Stator slots 54. Conductor per slot 14. Assume suitable missing data. Now here we have to design a cage rotor. For this the data is given voltage 400 volt, kVA is 40 HP, then frequency 50 Hz, 3 phase, efficiency 0.87, power factor 0.85, diameter 33 cm, length 17 cm, stator slot 54, and here now number of poles is given 6. So last video I had explained you that the conditions for rotor slots SS is not equal to SR, that is nothing but SS minus SR is 0, means SS minus SR is 0, then plus minus P plus minus 2P or plus minus 5P plus minus 3P 1 2 plus minus P plus minus 1 plus next plus minus in bracket P plus minus 2. So this all we have to add it, and here P at P we have to substitute. So same P is equal to 6, SS minus SR is nothing but 0, which is there already, here it is there 0, plus minus 1 2 plus minus 1 and plus minus 2, then P is nothing but here it is given P, that we have to substitute plus minus P is number of poles, so plus minus 6. Now next 2P, 2 into P means 12, so plus minus 12, then plus minus 5P, 5 into 6 30, then comma again plus minus 3P, 3 into 6 it is plus minus 3 into 6 18. Next then P plus minus 1 means 6 plus 1 and 6 minus 1. Next 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 and 6 minus 2. So what values we are getting here, that we have to write here, all we have to add it and we have to substitute SS minus SR. Then do the calculation, 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 5 plus minus 6 plus minus 7 plus minus 8. We have to write these all numbers in increasing order. So plus minus 7 8 12 18 and 30. So from this we have to select the SS minus SR. Now in these values, which values are not there, that is nothing but this SS minus SR is not equal to 0, not equal to 1, not equal to 2, not equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 18, 30. But which are equal to our SS minus SR is equal to which number is not there? 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there, then 3 plus minus 3. 4 is there, 5 is there, 6, 7, 8 is there, 9 is not there, then plus minus 9. Then 10 is not there, so we have to write the 10 also. We have to write the 10 plus minus 10. Then 11 is not there, 11 we have to write 12. After 12 we have to next number is 13, then 14 and so on till 30. We have to take which numbers are absent here, that is nothing but SS minus SR. But we have to choose among these values, we have to choose the nearest value and least value. Least value is here is 3 in SS minus SR is equal to 3. So we have to take this value, SS minus SR is equal to 3. So if SS minus SR is equal to 3 and SS is given to you 54, so we can calculate 54 minus SR is equal to 3. So SR we can calculate 54 minus 3 is equal to 51. So SR is equal to 51. Now from this data we can find out the IB and IE. IB we are knowing the formula 0.856 IS TS upon SR. So we have to substitute this in IB here we have to substitute, we'll get all values we have to substitute, we'll get the IB. So before that, Q is, you are knowing Q, kilowatt efficiency cos phi. Q we have to find out 40.35 kVA. IS, from this kVA we have to find out the IS. IS is nothing but kVA divided by 3V. So kVA upon 3V. Then IS we got 33.62 amperes. From this TS also we have to find out ZSS, SS upon 6, we got 126. Now substitute all in IB formula. Then IB we got 358.7 amperes. Same way AB, IB upon delta B is 5 into 10 raised upon 5 pi per mm square. So that's why 10 raised to minus 6 we have to take, and we will get the AB. See, delta B is nothing but current density. Current density, if it is not given here, it is not given, so always we have to assume 5 ampere per mm square current density. IE also same way, SR, IB, pi, P, we have to calculate IE. Same way AE, IE upon delta, we have to same delta is same for AB and AE. Then length of the air gap we have to calculate, LG. Last lecture I had said you about this formula, 0.2 plus 2 under root of DL, D diameter, L length, and we'll get the LG 0.67 mm. Now diameter of the rotor, DR is nothing but D minus 2 LG. So DR we got, after substituting LG we got 0.3286 meter.